Okay. This is a very odd angle for my camera, so I'm gonna try not to bump it. And I'm gonna try to keep this mostly in this area so you can see it. What we got here is a Craftsman 3/8 inch drive, made in America. But what it doesn't do, it doesn't lock up. And what I want to do is I want to take this apart and see if it's the teeth that are gone bad. See this? It's not locking. You can go both directions with it. Or if it's just got a bunch of gunk in it, because it is pretty dirty. So there's a split ring here. I'm going to try to get that split ring out of there. It's pretty dirty. And I'll tell you, it doesn't look worn. But what I really need to do is clean it all up. Let me take this out, this pawl. Let me get some needle nose. I'll be right back. Dun, 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 dun. All right. All right, there's a ball bearing right here. Oh yeah, this is nasty. I think I can fix this. Okay, that ball bearing came right out of here. There's a spring in there. Let me see if I can pick that out. Yeah, there's the spring. Oh, almost lost that. This is the selector switch. So I'm going to shut you off. I'm going to get my special cleaning solvent, gasoline, and clean this up real good. Soak it, clean it up, put a little lube on there, and see if it'll run better. Be right back. All right. That was pretty dirty. And I'll tell you what the dirtiest part was right in here, this pawl. It was so packed full of crud that it couldn't lock into these teeth here. So I'm going to put a little bit of grease on this. Just bearing grease. I don't have anything else. I'm not going to go heavy or go nuts with it. I think putting too much grease on there just attracts more dirt and schmutz. All right, a little bit on the face of this. On the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to put this spring in. All right. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a dollop of grease on that spring because that ball bearing has to stay there while I slip that pawl in there. Maybe I can make it sticky enough where it will. All right, here's the ball bearing. Don't lose it, big clumsy hands. Now, I can't tip it over or else it'll fall. Now, this side faces, let's see. Okay, this is up. Or is that? No, it's not. I think this side goes up. The side with the indentation goes towards this side. This is the bottom. This is the bottom of the ratchet here. And this selector switch fits down in that. Right? Yes. So, alright, here we go. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm going to grab that with the pliers. Nope, it came out. I knew that wasn't going to be easy. Did I do it? Nope, came out again. All right. Damn it. That's gonna take a... I gotta hold my tongue just right. Already knocked it off. Tell you what, I may have to shut this off till I get it. It's going to take several tries, I know. Let me try this one more time. Doggone it. Yeah, I won't make you watch this. I'll get it. It's just going to take several tries. I'll be right back. Wow, did you miss some cuss words? Here's what I wasn't doing, and what I ended up... You have to put this in first because it goes in, and then there's a little notch, a groove it fits into on this. So what I did was I took a screwdriver and I went in through this side, and I held that ball bearing down in that little depression. And then I slid this in over the ball bearing just enough to hold it in. And then I turned it over, and I put this in, slid it up, and pushed this in over it. It's not that complicated. It's just that I didn't know the right way to do it. Okay, now, let's see here. This goes back. Oh yeah, I can see that's already gonna... Okay, put it back together then. It's all good. All right. Oh, can you believe that? I just dropped this. All right. We're gonna start all over. You can go ahead and laugh. I don't give up though. Okay, screwdriver goes in there to hold it, to press that down in there. Pawl goes in there. Good golly. All right, got it in there. Now, this has to go, you see the groove in there? Has to go in here and then fit up in that groove, but this thing has to go out a little bit for this to happen. So I'm gonna push this out, still maintaining control of that ball bearing. Oh, there we go. No, maybe not. I lost the ball bearing again. Well, I'm not going to give up, but I'm not going to make you watch all this. I'll get it. Dear God, I finally got it. Oh yeah, I ran out of cuss words. Okay. Now we can assemble it. I've got I'm recording, hon. No F-bombs. All right. Definitely works. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm going to do one other thing. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down here. Tell you what, it's acting like a brand new one now. Can I help you? Yes? What's wrong? What are you doing?
Are you talking to yourself?
I'm on camera. I mean, I got the camera going.
Oh, I was going to come in and say, hey, sexy lady. Since you were talking to yourself.
You're going to get my video flagged with music. You gotta get out of here with that juking and jiving. Come in here all dancing and stuff. The sun is out and we're both in a very good mood.
Oh, dear God. I feel so much better.
Yeah. That's that weather. How do people that live in that weather,
I don't know.
how do they not get depressed and shoot themselves in the mouth? I would kill myself if I had to be that cold for that length of time. Okay, hey, it's working great. Thanks for watching. Sorry you had to endure that, but you know, it.
What did you do?
Oh, it took me forever to get this little tiny ball bearing. I bet you I could have got you to do that because your hands are tiny.
Ah, I do not have doll hands.
You have little
I do not.
baby doll hands. You do.
I do not. These are hands of a working woman.
Hey, hon, I put all the dishes away. I'm gonna have to take a nap now.